Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
In this video, we are going to see about how we will find HCF of monomial. HCF means highest common factor. Here you can see two monomial. First one is 12x cube yz. The other one is 16xy square. For finding HCF of monomial, first we can take the first monomial, that is 12x cube yz. First we can factorize this monomial. For the factorization, first we have to take the constant, that is constant is 12. 12 you have to factorize. Prime factorization we can use. 12, it is an even number, so we can say that it is divisible by 2. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6 2s are 12. Again 6, that we can divide by 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 is a prime number. So we can say that the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now this x cube can be written x into x into x. That is x into x into x, that is x cube. Power 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then y, there was no power, only 1. Then z power 1, so only 1 is z. Similarly, you have to find the factors of second monomial 16xy square. So in 16xy square, first you have to find the factors of 6. First we have to find the factors of 16. 16 is divisible by 2 because it is an even number. 8 2s are 16. Then again 8 is divisible by 2. 4 2s are 8. Again 4, 2 2s are 4. So instead of 16 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now here x power 1, so you can write x. Now y power 2, so we can write into y into y. There are 2y. Now after that we want to calculate what is the HCF of 12x cube yz and 16xy square. For finding HCF, in these two factors we have to take the common factor. So the first monomial, here 1 2, these here also 2. Okay, the 2 is common, so we can take the first 2. Now second, here one more 2, here also 2. So 2 into 2. But the third one is 3, but here there was no 3, so we should not take this 3. Similarly here other constants are 2 and 2, but for the first monomial there was no 2 factor, so we should not take these 2. Then you go to the variable. First variable is x. In the first monomial 1x, here also only 1x. So we have to take only 1x. We should not take the other 2x because in the second monomial there was no x. Then the next variable is y. Here 1y, here also 1y. But in the first monomial one more variable, that is z, but in the second monomial there was no z. Similarly, in the second monomial there was one y, but in the first monomial there was no y. It's only one y. So here that is equal to HCF 2 into 2, that is 4, x into y, that is xy. So we can say that highest common factor of these two monomial, that is 4xy. So we want to find HCF of two monomial. Here we are finding this monomial by using one simple method. So for finding HCF of 6a cube b square c and 9a square b c square. For finding HCF of these two monomial, first we have to take the constant term, then we have to take the variable. So here the constant are 6 and 9. So 6 comma 9. Now you have to find what is the HCF of 6 and 9. HCF means highest common factor. Here 6 and 9, the common factor is 3. we should not take 2 because 9 is not divisible by 2. We have to take only 3. So 6 divided by 3 or 3 2s are 6. 9 3 3s are 9. So we can write 2 and 2 comma 3. Now here in 2 and 3 there was no other common factor. So we can take HCF of 6 and 9 is only 3. So that value here you can write. That is HCF of the constant 6 and 9 is 3. After that you have to go to the variable. First variable that you have to take a cube. Here a square. So in that variable we have to take the variable with the minimum, that is low power. That is here a cube. The lowest power is a square. This a square you have to take. We should not take the higher power. We have to take the lower power. That is a square is common in both monomial. But here a cube is not common. That is only 2a is here. So we have to take variable with a lower power. Now the next variable is b square, here b. So b power 1, b power 2. So we have to take only b power 1. So we can write b. Now here c square, c power 1. That is lower is c power 1. So we can say that HCF of these two monomial is 3a square b c. That is for finding HCF. First we have to find what is the HCF of constant. Then you have to find HCF of variable separately. First one variable you have to take variable with the lower power. That variable we have to write a square. Then second variable b square b. So we have to take b is the HCF. Here c square. So we can take c is the HCF. In this way we can find HCF of monomial easily. Thank you.